In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a board out of monday.com. This process is quite simple, and I'll guide you through each step to ensure you can easily access your project's data outside the platform. First things first, navigate to monday.com in your preferred web browser. Once you're on the site, look towards the upper right corner where you'll find the option to log in. Click on it and you'll be prompted to sign in using your email, or you can choose to sign in with Google if that's more convenient for you. If you go with the Google option, a list of email addresses linked to your Google account will appear. Select the one you wish to use for accessing monday.com. After you've logged in, it's time to locate the board you want to export. Within your account dashboard, find and click on the specific board you've been working with. Once inside your board, turn your attention to the top right corner. There, you'll see three dots arranged vertically, which we often refer to as the ellipsis. Click on these dots to reveal a drop-down menu. Among the options listed, select More Actions. Now that you've opened up More Actions, you will want to select the option labelled Export Board to Excel. This is where you'll start the process of converting your board's data into a spreadsheet format. Before you hit export, you have the option to include updates and sub-items. These additional elements can provide more context to your data if needed in the export. Another option you'll find useful is the ability to send a copy of this exported file to yourself. It ensures you have a handy backup or can easily share the file via email. Now, with everything selected as per your requirements, you're ready to initiate the export. Simply click on the export button and the process will begin. Once the export is complete, the Excel file will automatically download to your computer. This file now contains all of the board's information you've chosen to include, ready to be opened, edited, or shared as needed. Exporting data from monday.com to Excel is an invaluable feature that provides flexibility and portability to your projects. Whether you're archiving information, preparing reports, or sharing data with team members who prefer Excel, this process enables you to take your work beyond the confines of the monday.com platform. So go ahead, try it out and enjoy the ease and efficiency it brings to your workflow.